Okay, we got to talk about something. Is PayPal really that undervalued? I've been seeing a lot of things where this thing has obviously, we all use PayPal. It's a well-known company. It's trading at $58. Let's look at the weekly. It was trading at $310 at one time. And it's hard to be like, should I be investing in PayPal? I'm looking at the weekly chart. We're at literally a low, very bottom at $30 way back in 2015. So if you're looking at this, we're a value. Our valuation is like right here in the 2017 era. You know, this is insane. I am having a hard time believing, with all this, should this company be this undervalued? So, yeah, I use PayPal a lot. It's a company we know. Obviously, I'm not like a big fundamental guy. I trade my system, you guys that watch me, but I'm always looking for stocks to invest in. For example, if you guys want to know my favorite stock that I invest in for years and years, it's O. It has dividends. I love looking at dividends because I'm getting something at it. And I bought a ton when it met the system. All down in here, I bought a ton. All down in here, I bought a ton. And guess what? The price is going up, and I'm getting dividends all the time. That's the best thing about long-term investing. You get dividends. You're buying it at very precise entries. And with my system, when price gets near the lower band, I tend to buy a lot. And I had great opportunities. And that is the main thing about this, right? So, is PayPal good to? The only thing is, it don't have dividends. It's not like wow, but can we make a long-term investment on PayPal? I see a lot of talk on Twitter, and rightfully so, right? So right now, I'm looking at it. We have not hit the EMA 10 and 20 and since June 12th, so we could expect to get a rebound type of play right in there and there for like the shorter term trades. Obviously, if you're a long term investment, you just hold this thing out, and that's really your thesis, right? You try to look for strong fundamental companies you believe in that could go big. So if I'm going to do that, I want to make sure I use this system with it. I want to make sure it's extremely oversold, extremely undervalued, and it hits this bottom band. No matter what, I'm only taking it here, and I will keep on accumulating for the longer term investment trade. So that's PayPal. It's not really presenting, like I said, right in here, it kind of almost presented. Right in here, almost. And that's about it. I'm not really seeing much on the daily. Looking for that lower band touch. So here was a decent one, but as you can see, though, this was way back in 94. So you would have got, yes, you would have made massive money on this short term correction, 94 to 121. So, yes, I probably would have taken the gain. And that's the hard part about investing. You want to make sure you're literally getting at the lows of the peak. Like, you want to make sure this is extremely low so that when you come back a year from now, your $94 investment is not at 58 because you're going to be like, wow, what a great investment. You thought investing's supposed to be safe. And oftentimes, that's why I'm more of a technical trader. I'm a swing trader. I'm not really an investor. I like O stock because it has dividends, but I wanted to do analysis on PayPal. I would still do my main thing. I'm looking at the weekly chart, like right in here. Yes, this was when the buy signals were appearing and could have made pretty massive money on here. It accumulated this and went right to the EMA 10. So you could have got like the lows, hundreds, 90s, and it went all the way to 123. Massive money on an option type play. Yeah, I do think this is due for a run. It's been, in this low area for quite some time. It's ziggy-zagging around. I want to see if we go back to this $50 range, maybe act that as support, maybe. We're not really sure, but it's kind of a very slow mover. Not really much, happening. So yeah, that's my analysis on PayPal. That's what my chart looks like. Obviously, it's got to be the bottom band bounce. I want to look for a little more time distance of the EMA 20. As you can see, like right in here, look at this EMA 20. It's my light blue band. Hasn't got touched in quite some time. Then look what happens. PayPal, 1%, 1.5, 1.5, and then they had an earnings 7%, and then it just goes up from there. Very nice gain, right? Very nice gain for a bigger cap stock. So I just want to do a thing. Let me guys know in the chat. The valuations. Is PayPal a longer term hold? Would you consider holding this for a year? Let me know, and I might do it. I feel like this is very cheap. We're back in 2017 valuations. Way back in, way back over here. Like if you look back here, 2017, the price is at $60, and yeah, this is insane. We're almost back to the land before time where we started this whole journey. The land before time on PayPal. It's just I'm having a hard time to believe that it went that way, right? So yeah, let me know what you think. And I'm gonna put this. If you guys want to join my premium Discord and know the actual trades I take, I do day trades, swing trades, and all that types of things. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments, and there will be a link. And when you click that, it'll be pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you guys want my system, my education on how I win over 95% of my trades, doing exactly this, being patient, waiting for the setups to take, and I think you guys are going to really love it. I know exactly why price, corrects. We're looking for algos to revert to the mean. Why did price go back to this EMA 5? Because price did not hit the EMA 5 in about 5 daily candles. That's my golden rule for bigger cap stocks. So if you were going to play options, you could have made pretty decent money on this. Obviously, you would have had to play options because these bigger cap stocks don't move as much. So options would. So yeah, what you got to do is hit server shop on the top left here, and what you want to do is we have two services: Swing Trading Plus, Days, and Swing Trading Plus. So the Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you get access to all my subscriptions. And then the Swing Trading Plus, you just get access to swing trades. So these are very high value things. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is obviously the best value because you get access to all, and you're going to get my journal. You can see my actual trades, days and swing trades, my education videos that only you guys in this Discord will be able to see. It's not part of the YouTube. And more importantly, you get my alerts. But it's not really about me alerting things. It's really about teaching you how to fish. This is my strategy, and anyone could do it. I think, with a little bit of practice, back testing, and, really trying to learn, you guys can learn a strategy, that can be where you can do full-time trading just like me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you think PayPal is a long-term investment, and if you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's there for you. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace out.